My name is Lindsey Wilson. It's a family business my grandfather started. We're in Gainesville, Georgia. Mulberry Farms creates finished good products for food service and retail space. We do chicken sausage, hamburger patties, cube steak, T-bones, ribeyes. I mean, anything the customer asks for. We needed an ERP system because we came across a few customers of ours asking for lot traceability. Customers of ours recommended that we attain so that we were able to sell them not only our existing products but future products as well. We used to manage our business pencil and paper. It was my grandfather's way and he refused to do it any other way, but slowly kind of moved to QuickBooks in the late 90s and early 2000s, and from there we just kind of realized that the traceability aspect of that was just kind of unattainable. Shipping and receiving was basically on its own island, processing was on its own island, and then the front office management was kind of on its own. So having a way to communicate with one another and using that information was really the biggest hurdle. Right now it's a lot of there's a lot of rounding, a lot of estimation as far as what our goods cost, our production costs really are. So being able to see exactly, down to a penny of what things cost to make or cost to store, and then also sell, would be beneficial for a small company, small business like us. Evaluated probably 5 or 6 different ERP systems. Bista just seemed very professional. They came in and did an evaluation of our facility and our process, helped us kind of lay out kind of the groundworks of what Bista could do for us. The team has been more than helpful. Finding somebody that's really willing to work with you as well as for you, I think was the biggest deciding factor.